Hi everyone, Kevin here, and today I want to show you how you can use Storyline 360 to create a storyboard that you can share via a link for comments inside of Review 360. So here you can see what a new course might look like in the outline view. For all courses, either simple or complex, I'll always start here with the objective slide in the introduction. Having your objectives detailed out will guide your course and make sure that all of your content hits the mark. So I like to use a quick table where the first column that you see here is my objective, and then the next one determines if the content fulfillment needs to be passive or active. Will they be doing something active, or will they just be consuming it, listening to it, reading it, both? And then finally, what specific activity will go on the slide to fulfill that objective? Next, I have a content storyboard table that we see here on the title slide when we open that up. So the left column here has graphic and textual includes. The next one, interactions, followed by audio scripts, and any video inclusions that there might be. Now, at a glance, you might think this looks like extremely high level to share with a stakeholder, and in many cases you'd be right. But what I do is I use this process for myself to quickly conceptualize objectives to activities, content, and media. But for a really large interactive project where development and coding time and costs are at stake, it's perfect for sharing before you waste a lot of time. Because I've worked on literally dozens of enterprise level projects where writing out the behavioral actions simply have to come before putting in graphics or even placeholders for that matter. But I will say that for smaller courses, I would just outline it and then go right into creating visual slides with images, some visuals, faux text, and then detailed placeholders to share with my stakeholder. And that's usually enough to keep everybody comfortable and on track. You can almost start with the design first. So it just depends what your project is, but for those really big ones, you certainly will be glad that you took the time to have it embedded here in that kind of detail. So now, let's take a look at how you would share your storyboard regardless of the complexity. So when you're ready to share, simply click here on the Publish button at the top banner of the program. Choose Publish to Articulate Review. If this is your first publish, give it a name. And then what you'll get is a link that you can share with your stakeholder and your team. Now, if you have already shared the link, you can click here and simply republish. And the cool thing is that Storyline will refresh the same link, so you don't have to go back and send it out all over again, which I think is a really great feature. But in another tutorial, guys, we're going to take a closer look at the effectiveness of using the full articulate review function. And we'll see if it's the right thing for you to use throughout the project lifecycle, or maybe you feel more comfortable using a spreadsheet in the project master folder, or even an agile board to collect comments and show the progress visually. So different ways to do it, but I wanted to give you a quick overview, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. That's it for now. Thanks so much for joining me. And as always, we will see you next time. Bye for now.